in the yellow zone over here, and the building material has been turned and brought into, wow, into the base. That was a quick grab. Let's go all the way down to Tornado and see what's going on. We're in the base right now, making some adjustments. Getting set to take both trucks for a ride. However, Tsunami is down, it's in the water, and there goes the trucks. There goes the ambulance, there goes the pickup truck, and it's a delivery, it's good. A great delivery. Will it make it back to the base? Still lots of time on the clock. With 45 seconds. At the far end of the field, we're both in the base. 30 seconds left on the clock. Here we go, over the terrain, over one, Tsunami's down, over two, over three, and they're into the red zone. Nice move. And it looks like they're gonna stay there. With 10 seconds left on the clock. Looks like a delivery's gonna happen, but they may not have enough time. With 3, 2, 1, that's it. That was a fun match.